In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block spam email senders in Google Admin Console. To get started, sign into your Google Admin Console with an account that has the proper admin privileges. From the Admin Console home, head into Apps. This is where all your core services live. Next, open Google Workspace and then select Gmail. We're going straight to the settings that control spam and security for your organization. Inside Gmail settings, look for the section called Spam, Phishing, and Malware. This is the control center for how unwanted or risky messages are handled. Within this page, find the block senders area and click Configure. If you've created a rule before, you might see an option to add another. Either way, you're opening a new rule for blocking. Give your rule a short, clear description. Think of this as a label you'll recognize later in the settings summary, like block known spam domains. A good description helps you and other admins quickly understand what the rule is for. Now add the email addresses or entire domains you want to automatically reject. You can enter a single address to target one sender or a domain, such as example.com, to block every sender from that domain. Be careful with domains so you don't accidentally block legitimate partners. If you already maintain a list, choose Use Existing List. If you don't, select Create or Edit List to build or update a reusable list of blocked senders. Using lists makes ongoing management much easier as your needs change. Next, edit the default rejection notice. This is the bounce back message the sender will receive. Keep it clear and professional, such as stating that the organization does not accept messages from that address or domain. Avoid including any internal details. A concise message helps reduce confusion and unnecessary follow-ups. You'll also see optional settings. Unless you have a specific reason to change them, you can leave these as is. They're intended for more advanced scenarios, and most organizations won't need to adjust them for basic blocking. Before saving, consider whether to bypass this setting for approved senders lists. If you maintain trusted lists for partners or critical services, enabling this bypass ensures those messages are not blocked by mistake, even if a domain overlaps. When everything looks good, click Save. The change may take a short time to propagate across your organization. From here on, Gmail will automatically reject messages from the addresses or domains you specified, helping keep inboxes cleaner and reducing spam-related distractions.